What about NGL? Can we take that? It's also a small coin. So in the 60 minutes, okay, it has a green candle now. Would I go with it? Would I? Not sure. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check if we go with it. Let's see what will happen here, right? So if I put 100%, okay, I'm just going to get 508.75. All right, let me just copy that and see. And then maybe if, for instance, I just pick sell and then I'll go with this. What would that be? Let's say 40. I don't know whether it would get to 40, but let's just see. Let's just see. We're still doing simulation. Oh, 35 cents. That's just a little bit over 1%. Okay. Well, we can look at that. Let's check the charts to see what was the highest it ever went to. The highest it ever went to was, okay, 140. It went to 40. It went to 45. 45. Yeah. So is it possible? Yeah, looks like it can. Do I want to go with this? Well, I'm seeing that it's lifting up, so it's possible. Let's go with it. All right. So for the buy, we'll just pick, let's see. I think that's it. Let's just pick 100%. And that will be 508.36. All right. Let's see. Let's go with that and see whether we can get that. Let's see. Is it? Oh, it's in the buy mode. Okay. No, I'm gonna cancel that. I don't actually like seeing, stuff like this. When I'm about to buy, I like to buy outrightly and get it bought. Okay. But before I do that again, one more check. It's still on a green candle. So it looks like it's going to push up at least 2 red candles now. Let's just go ahead with this. Right? Let's go ahead with this. Okay. So maybe if I have to go with this, let me go with a. So this was, what exactly is going on here? If I pick this is it. How many is it going to give me? 476. Ooh, it's gone up, I think. Has it gone up? Yes, it's like it's going up gently. So if I pick this, what will I get? 476. Interesting. If I pick a higher price, no, I'm picking 476. Okay, if I now pick a higher price, that will give me what? Okay, wait a second. Another thing is, if we want to get this bought quickly, we have to pick a higher price, right? So to get it bought quickly, wait a second, look at this. And if we want to sell it, well, yeah, it has the amount we want to sell. So what I want to do is, let's go back again and see what this is giving us. This price, this is 3981. No, we're going to be in this. That's the reason why wait a second. Oh, we actually have we bought some. I was wondering what was going on. Oh my God, look at this. We have already bought some already. I was wondering what's going on. See, we've already bought 31.96. Oh my gosh. So we have no choice than to go ahead with this. So if I pick this, just a little amount. Okay. So I was wondering what was going on. I was wondering. So if I pick this, can I pick up the rest? I was wondering how come we have 476. Okay, so would it buy? I don't know. Let's see if we'll not be in the queue. All right, I'll be back. I'm still going to cancel it because I want to buy this outright. I don't want to waste time, right? So since I'm not wasting time, why am I putting it in the queue? I don't want this in the queue, right? So this one, will I get this one sold or bought? 3926. I may have to go with this. Look at this. I'll have to go with this. Right? I'll have to go with this and then pick up. All right, let's go. Let's see whether we can get that bought. I think we got it bought. Let's see. We got it bought. All right, so let's go ahead and set our sell limit. Okay, good. So we got it bought, right? Let's go back to the charts. Let's hope that we made, did we make a good decision? Let's go ahead and sell. At this point, we've made it. I saw it was a green candle, right? So at this point, it was a bit dicey, okay? But it could push up. So let's check all the other parameters. It went up to 45. So we can safely put 41 or 40. So let's go ahead and check this out, okay? Let's go and set our sell limit, okay? So to do our sell limit, let's do this very well and then change this to 40, okay? We'll change it to 40 and let's see. 32 cents, not bad. At this point, well, okay, let's go ahead and get this done. That's like a little bit above 1%. 1% will be 20 cents, like about 1.6 thereabout. Let's go with that. That should just be fine for now. We want to make it very conservative as much as possible. If I put 4.1 there, let me show you. If I put 4.1, what would that be? That will be 83. Let's not go with that. Let's just leave it at 40. Okay, let's leave it at 40. We'll work with that, and that will just be like 32 cents. Let's go with that. So we're gonna be in the queue again. Obviously, we're gonna be in the queue. All right. So in NGL, what's the situation? Let's go check. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Wow. Wow. Wow, this was a bad decision. This was a bad decision. How much did we buy it as? How much did we buy it as? Wow, that was not good at all. Wow, that wasn't good at all. Oops. Like I tell you, you see, all these things, right? We bought it as how much? 3931. 3931. Yeah. Wow, that wasn't good. That wasn't good so far. But I mean, anything can happen. It can switch. It can switch. It can push up high. It can change direction in a few moments right now. So look at it. No, this was not a good one. This was not a good one at all. It was looking up. It was looking good. That was what was this? Can you see what I'm saying? It was 39 something. So that other time, that's can you just imagine that? It was on a green candle. Yeah, because I'd already seen that. Okay, from the pattern I'd seen here, it was like, okay, one red candle, then another one, then it shoots up high, two red candles. So I was expecting that it should, but like I said, all these things were taking our intelligent guesses. But you see, it can actually shoot up high in a few moments from now. It's currently 3904, right? But let's just wait. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Anything can happen. Anything can happen, right? So let's go back. So it's currently, how much were we supposed to sell it as? We're supposed to sell it as 04, right? Let's wait and see. If it doesn't get to 04, we'll just try and see how we can make profit from it. That's the most important thing. NGL is still here and it's going down. I mean, if I cancel it now, I'll show you. Look at it. It looks like it might change. I'm still going to leave it because at this point, I don't want to lose any money, right? You see, we're doing this live so that we can look at all the nuances and look at what's going on in the market right now. Okay, look at it. We were supposed to cash out at 0.04, but look at it now. It's at 0.030. So let me just show you. Let me just cancel it, right? So you can see what the current situation is. If I cancel this right now, okay, cancel it, right? So let's just pick it up and see what it is right now. If I sell and I pick this up, look at it. Look at it. I'm going to lose $4.60. $4.62. I am not doing this. No way. But you see, the truth of the matter is that that's spot trading for you. 1 minute it could be down, next minute it could be up, right? So I'm just going to go back and put this into it, but probably I could make it slightly lower, right? So instead of going to 0.04, let's just go to, let's just make this 0.03. Oh, how much did we buy it? Let's go and check how much we bought it, because that's very important. We need to check the order history. How much did we buy it? Okay, this was canceled. We bought it for how much? 3931. 3931. So we definitely cannot say it lower than that. So if I put 39 31395, let me see what that will give me. Oh no, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Okay, so maybe we should just go back. Let's say 398. Let's see. Let's put 398. 22 cents. Okay, not bad. At least 1% after the weight. Shouldn't be too bad. So let's go with that. All right, so I'll be back shortly. Currently in the queue, as we speak, I'm currently in the queue. So I put it for a slightly lower amount of money so that we could just get our money back and, at least 1%. The other one could have really been good, right? But now we're just going to have to wait. That's the name of the game. We just have to wait, okay? Wow. Eventually, NGL, you delivered. Oh my God. Wow, this happened a couple of hours ago, but I was too busy to quickly see this. But anyways, I'm just here to let you know that eventually, NGL delivered. That's it. I'm just here to tell you that it actually ran all the way. It ran all the way to 4.3. And what we wanted it to be was 3.98. Wow. Glad. I'm so glad that it finally came through. Yeah, we just made like about 1%, but I'm happy that I didn't have, I mean, it got to a point. This particular trade was on the verge of going into a loss. Not verge, it was actually seriously in a loss. I just felt, look, this thing's going to come around. It just kept on waiting, kept on staying on 0, 03, 04. I was like, when is this going to happen? But anyways, it's here. And I'm glad to announce to you that NGL has finally given us what we've been waiting for. Only 1%, but we're good it is done. Anyways, this is what we have to know. When we're on trades, you can never tell when it will execute. We just have to keep our fingers crossed, be as close as possible in our technical analysis, so that by the time it's taking its toll, maybe it's doing its pullback, you're sure that it will still spring back up. So I'm glad to announce to you that this has already executed. Thank you once again for watching. I am so glad. This is really making my heart really glad that NGL finally executed. It pumped and it executed. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.